In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Top Echelon's candidate matching features to streamline your recruitment process and find the right talent faster. If you're new to Top Echelon or just looking to get the most out of its tools, stick with me till the end and I'll show you exactly how to make the most of these powerful features. Plus, stay tuned, because I've got an exclusive way for you to use this software for free with some extra bonuses you won't want to miss. Let's dive straight into the heart of Top Echelon's candidate matching. The system's key feature here is its ability to search a huge database of candidates based on the precise criteria you set, from skills and experience to specific certifications. This means you're not wasting time manually sifting through resumes. The software does the heavy lifting, matching the most qualified candidates to your job openings automatically. One of the standout features you'll love is the candidate matching algorithm. This tool cross-references your job requirements with Top Echelon's extensive network of candidates. Simply input your job description and the system will match you with candidates whose profiles fit best, saving you a lot of time. What makes it even more powerful is its ability to prioritize candidates based on the best matches, not just a simple keyword search. Another great feature is the ability to view candidate profiles with a detailed snapshot. When you find a good match, you get more than just a name. You'll see detailed information on their skills, work experience, and what sets them apart from others in the pool. This means you can make more informed decisions without having to dig through endless resumes. But it doesn't stop there. Top Echelon allows you to refine your candidate searches further using filters like location, industry, salary expectations, and more. Whether you're looking for someone within a specific region or needing a candidate with a rare skill set, these filters ensure you're only looking at the most relevant profiles. You also have the option to save your candidate searches, which is incredibly useful for recurring recruitment needs. For example, if you're consistently hiring for roles that require a specific skill, you can save that search, so Top Echelon will automatically notify you when a new candidate fits that profile. Now, I want to mention that all of this isn't just limited to a paid subscription. In fact, you can try out Top Echelon completely for free through the first link below. Not only that, but you'll get access to exclusive bonuses that will help you make the most out of your trial. So if you're curious about how these candidate matching features can transform your hiring process, you've got nothing to lose by checking it out. So, to recap, Top Echelon's candidate matching features are all about making your hiring process faster and smarter. From automatic matching to detailed candidate profiles and advanced search filters, the system helps you find the right person for the job with minimal effort. Don't forget to click the first link below to get your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.